So hello everyone. As you can see, it's December, it's snowing, it's cold here in Denmark, it's -3 degrees. But I wanted to give you an update on how it goes in the mushroom container. As you can see in here, it's looking really nice. We're getting a lot of pinning, a lot of really beautiful mushrooms here. Yeah, and you can see they're starting to form really nice clusters. All the bags that you see here was the ones from the last video. They weren't pinning yet. That's a week ago, and this is how they look now. So it's going pretty fast in the container right now. And as you can see outside, it's cold. So the hot air from the production, it's really helping now to maintain a stable temperature. As you can see here, all these bags is the second flush, so the second harvest we're doing on these. We are doing the second harvest on all these up to here, and then next week all these bags are going to be exchanged with new bags, and then we're going to do 2 new harvests on each bag of those as well. So the mix that we are starting with the grow medium, with the straw and the coffee, it's really starting to work. It's getting like much bigger, and we are getting much more yield on the clusters after we put much more weight on the bags. Basically, that's the process and the progress of how it's going right now. And I will give you an update on the coffee over here, because we made a bag of completely 100% coffee. So the coffee bag with 100% coffee takes like 5 to 6 weeks to colonize fully, and after that we cut this open 2 weeks ago, and as you see, there's still no pinning. So it's both the colonization and the pinning is getting like really slow when you're only using pure coffee. So we're gonna make some more tests and see how the mushrooms are gonna be on this, but it's not looking that good when we compare it to the straw and the coffee mix. Yeah, so basically that's it. That's how it's looking right now, and thank you for watching. If you like this knowledge and the value that we're bringing to you, then like the video and subscribe to our channel.